Alright, we're going to show you how the winch works on the TJ. So this is a Warren winch. We're going to kind of show you each step so you know how to do it. Okay, first thing to know is this little lever puts this in gear or puts it into free spool mode. When it's pointing backwards like this, it means it's ready to free spool. It essentially means you can pull this cable out and it's in neutral, right? When you put it in gear, that means it's locked and it's waiting to be controlled by the remote. So we'll show you how to hook up the remote in those. So the Warren winch that comes on the Jeep comes with the remote control. It's on a big long cord, right? It's got a long cable. You're gonna have to hook this in almost like you hook up a microphone. So you'll pop the cap off the receiver there. You'll see the little port. There's a little notch on the top of the cable. You're going to point that at the top, plug it right in. And then you want to wear gloves when you're working with this because it's steel cable. But essentially, you control it with the lever here. So if you go down, it's going to winch towards the Jeep. See that? If you go up, you pull away from the Jeep. And that's how it works.